Mangabusukuke amalobolo mahadi. You are married in community of property. So ubonko noMaruna yazini bona bobabili bashadile manje. And hello everyone, welcome back to Sai Live Chain. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 2nd to the 6th of June 2025 on Monday. Tension escalates as Bongo is left to maneuver the family turmoil alone. Thandi takes a bold step by offering Felicia a path to healing. A young gospel star is preoccupied by lingering memories of his time with the girl of his dreams on Tuesday. Felicia feels bold enough to challenge Gabriel's game. Bongo finds himself shoved between personal and business matters which only fuel his rage. Nobuhle buys herself some or more time to help Ishmael on Wednesday. Wendy takes drastic measures to protect her daughter. The young lovers have Totorius goodbye. Someone plays a dirty game and it backfires in a big way on Thursday. The Tabete patriarchs lay down the law. A heartbroken new bride has had enough humiliation and wants out. Nobuhle diligence finally pays off on Friday. While tension flare in the Tabete home, Wendy celebrates her dreams coming true, but the painful return of his past haunt Ishmael. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.